Live from the world's capital market, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by Skill Genic.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar snapped back against the yen and other major currencies after losses last week, as investors looked ahead to key US inflation data and reduced expectations for an outsized Federal Reserve interest rate cut next week. US wholesale inventories increased less than initially thought in July amid a sharp rebound in sales, casting doubt on whether inventory investment would contribute to economic growth in the third quarter. Wall Street's three major indexes gained more than 1% as investors looked for bargains after the previous week's sell-off, while they also waited for inflation reports in coming days and the Federal Reserve's next policy decision next week. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The UK's employment change will be released at 6 GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 6 GMT. Germany's Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.